Hi all, my name is Anil Nair. Today in this video, let us see some better approaches to solve problems from arithmetic progression. Problem: find the sum of 25 terms for the sequence 63, 55, 47 and so on. Before solving the better approach, let us see the traditional method of solving. Everyone knows that this is an arithmetic progression series where A is the first term and D is the common difference between the terms. So A in this case is 63, D is the difference between two consecutive terms, so which is 55 minus 63, which is minus 8. A value is 63 and D value is minus 8. We know that means I know that and you also know that. We know that the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N, the number of terms we require sum is 25, n is 25, a is 63, d is minus 8, put it in the formula, you will get the answer. But are we really interested in this one? In this kind of learning? Let us see a logical way to solve this kind of problems. Before solving it in a logical way, let me explain few concepts. First concept: average of n terms in arithmetic progression is given by middle value. For example, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Average is given by middle value, which is nothing but 7 in this case. 7 is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. If the number of terms in the AP series are odd, middle value will become middle term. If the number of terms in the arithmetic progression is even, middle value will not be the middle term. For example, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Average is given by first term plus last term by 2, 1 plus 16 by 2, which is nothing but 17 by 2, 8.5. So 8.5, 1, 4, 7, there are 3 terms, 10, 13, 16, there are 3 terms. 3 terms to the left, 3 terms to the right, 8.5 is the middle value. I hope the concept is clear. Again I am repeating. Average of n terms in an arithmetic progression is nothing but the middle value. Middle value will become middle term if the number of terms in the sequence are odd. Read the question. Find the sum of 25 terms for the series. Average by definition is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Total 25 terms he is asking. Let me find out the average. 25 terms, 12 terms to the left, 12 terms to the right. What will be the middle value? Middle value will be T13. So this expression can be written as T13 equivalent to sum of 25 quantities by 25 quantities. T13 can be determined by A plus 12D. 63 plus 12 into minus 8 into 25. I will get sum of 25 terms. T13 will be 63 plus 12 into minus 8, it will be minus 33, minus 33 into 25 is minus 825 is the answer. The objective behind discussing this logical way to find the n terms is to solve multiple problems without applying formulae. For example, another question: how many terms in the sequence minus 56, minus 49, minus 42 and so on will sum up to 0? How many terms in the sequence minus 56, minus 49, minus 42 will sum up to 0? No need to use Tn or Sn formulas. Let us read the question again and solve it in a logical way. Series is given as minus 56, minus 49, minus 42 and so on. Minus 56 is 7 into minus 8. Minus 49 is 7 into minus 7. Minus 42 is 7 into minus 6. That means the series that are given are nothing but the negative multiples of integers from 1 to 8. Are you all with me? Right. So there are total minus 56 to minus 7. There are negative 8 multiples. Then comes 0. To get the sum 0, minus 56 should be nullified by plus 56. Minus 49 should be nullified by plus 49. So there are negative 8 terms. There should also have positive 8 terms. So negative 8 terms, positive 8 terms, including 0. Total how many terms are there? 17 terms are there. 17 terms, sum will be 0. We have not used any formula to solve the question. Another question. T8. 8th term in an arithmetic progression is 40. We need to find out total sum of 15 terms. One method is to use Tn and Sn, another logical method T8 and S15. Ask yourself this question, why he is asking us to find the sum of 15 terms. 15 terms, 7 terms to the left, 7 terms to the right. What is the middle term? T8. Middle term can also be an average if the number of terms are odd. So average is nothing but T8. So average equivalent to sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. T8 equivalent to S15 by 15. Whatever the T8 value that is there in the question, please substitute it and get the answer. We are able to connect the dot between T8 and S15 because for S15, T8 is the middle term. If he asks us to find out S22, answer will be cannot be determined because we don't know what is A value and D value. Learnings from this video. First one, average of n terms in an arithmetic progression is middle value, which is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. If Tn is given, Sk can also be determined if Tn is the middle term for Sn. Number 3. No need to use formulae when you can solve the problems in the most logical way. Remember, all the people who are watching this video, formulae is derived from the logic. Logic is not derived from the formulae. Thank you very much for watching this video.